In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your LinkedIn contacts. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. If prompted, make sure to complete the security CAPTCHA to verify your identity. This step helps keep your account secure. After you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a drop-down menu where you'll need to select the Settings and Privacy option. This section is where you can manage your account settings, including your privacy preferences. Now that you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Data Privacy section. This area provides various options related to your personal account and information, and it's crucial for managing how your data is used. Once you're in the Data Privacy section, look for the option titled Get a Copy of Your Data. This will allow you to request copies of your data from LinkedIn. Click on this option to proceed further, as it's the gateway to exporting your contacts. Next, you'll want to choose the Request Archive option. This is where you can specify which data you'd like to have exported. Keep in mind, you have the ability to request different types of data, but for our purpose, we'll focus on your connections specifically. So, make sure to select the Connections Data option. This is the file that contains the insights and information about your LinkedIn contacts. After you've made your selection, simply submit your request. Once your request is processed, you'll receive the downloaded file via email, and there you have it. Now you can successfully export your LinkedIn contacts. This process can be really helpful if you're looking to back up your connections, migrate to another networking platform, or simply keep track of your professional relationships in an organized manner. Remember, exporting your contacts means you'll be receiving their names, email addresses, and any other connections that are shared within LinkedIn, so use this information responsibly and be mindful of privacy considerations. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to export your LinkedIn contacts. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on using LinkedIn and other professional tools effectively.